Good morning, Northwest. I'm Bella Pinska.
And I'm Joni Johnson.
And we'd like to welcome you to Titan Connect.
Please stand for the pledge. Put your right hand over your heart and your left hand down by your side and say it with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now for the Titan traits. Repeat after me. A Titan is respectful, honest, responsible, self-disciplined, and caring.
Positive attitude.
I always mess up. Like I can't do
And
do a
caring.
regular
Caring.
And caring.
Please remain standing for a dress code check. Now for today's announcements. There will be a chess club meeting this Wednesday, January 7th at 8 a.m. in Mr. Spencer's room.
Geography B participants. We will meet in the multi-purpose room at team time today and not after school. Teachers, please allow students to call home if necessary.
Winter guard practice is tonight from 6 to 8:15.
FFA will meet today in room A158.
Now for
Mrs.
Miss
Eister.
Eister.
Good morning, Northwest Titans. This is Mrs. Eister with a few words of wisdom. You remember yesterday how we talked about New Year's resolutions and about setting goals to do something a little different or a little better in the new year. And I also talked to you about setting a goal, making a plan for how you would achieve that goal, and what kind of things you could do to bring up your grades or improve your behavior in the new year. So here's my question for you today. Yesterday morning at this time, you thought about a goal that you had for this year. So after this time yesterday morning, starting from 9:15 to the end of the day yesterday, what did you do to actually accomplish that goal? Did your actions yesterday during the day match what you said your goal was? For example, if you said that you were going to try and improve your grades in the next 2 weeks, did you actually pay more attention in class yesterday, or were you a little off focus? If you said your goal was to be more consistent with getting your assignments done, did you make sure that you got all your homework done last night when you got home, or did you kind of forget about it? Because actually persevering in following a plan is the thing that's going to help you reach that goal. So today's words of wisdom is about perseverance. So how many of you have studied the life of Abraham Lincoln? Some people say he is a wonderful example of the power of perseverance. He faced hardship and challenge his entire life. He was born into poverty. He lost 8 elections during his political career, and he failed in his business. But Abraham Lincoln believed that we all have a duty to strive to be the best that we can be. And because of this belief, he persevered and eventually became the President of the United States. He said, "A duty to strive is the duty of us all." So today, let's follow the example of this great American president and strive to do our best in all ways and at all times. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Eister. Make it a great day. The choice is yours.